Where was the World Para Athletics Championships 2025 held? Correct option is D. New Delhi. On 21st June, where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi lead the main national event of the 11th International Yoga Day? Right option is C. Visakhapatnam. What is the correct order of potassium, calcium and aluminium in the reactivity series? Right option is C. Potassium, calcium, aluminium. Which launch vehicle did ISRO use for its 100th mission in 2025? Correct option is A. GSLV F-15. What is the general term for the entire process of extracting metals from their ores and purifying them? Right option is C. Metallurgy. Dr. Duvvur Nageshwar Reddy was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 2025 for his contribution to which field? Correct option is D. Medicine. Which of the following are the primary components of the nervous system? Right option is B. Brain and spinal cord. In the Bihar Assembly election 2025, how many seats did the BJP win? Correct option is B. 89 seats. By which process does a frog transform from its larval stage into a terrestrial adult? Right option is A. Metamorphosis. In the 2025-26 Union Budget, approximately how much budget was allocated to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare? Correct option is B. Around 99,859 crore rupees. What is the SI unit of pressure? Right option is C. Pascal. When an acid reacts with a metal carbonate, the products formed are. Correct option is C. A salt, water and carbon dioxide gas. Which country has handed over INS Tamal to Indian Navy? Right option is D. Russia. What is the chemical formula of plaster of Paris? Correct option is C. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. What is the term for the chemical reaction between an acid and a base? Correct option is A. Neutralization reaction. China has launched the new K visa primarily to attract talent in which sector? Right option is D. Science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Which of the following sexually transmitted diseases are caused by bacteria? Correct option is C. Both gonorrhea and syphilis. The phenomenon of splitting white light into its constituent colors by a prism is called. Right option is A. Dispersion. In the Union Budget 2025-26, what were the estimated total receipts for the Government of India? Right option is B. 34.96 lakh rupees crore. If the distance-time graph of an object is a curved line, what does it represent about the object's motion? Right option is C. The object is moving with non-uniform speed. Which of the following man-made items is not decomposed by bacteria? Correct option is B. Plastic. What is the approximate total area of the Kancha Gachibowli forest area that has been in the news due to controversies? Right option is B. 400 acres. Why does the moon follow a curved path around the earth instead of moving in a straight line? Right option is C. Earth's gravity acts as a centripetal force that constantly changes its direction. Who are the authors of the book March of Glory? Correct option is D. K. Arumugam and Errol D. Kress. Which of the following cells in the xylem tissue primarily provides mechanical strength and support to the plant? Right option is C. Xylem fibers. Which of the following statements about a nerve cell or neuron is incorrect? Right option is C. It is very short in length. In a domestic electrical circuit, the fuse is connected. Correct option is B. In series with the live wire. If the force is 5 Newton and the displacement is 5 meter. What will be the work done? Right option is D, 25 joules. Who has recently won the title of Miss Universe India 2025? Right option is D, Manika Vishwakarma. Which company became the first publicly listed company in the world to reach a market valuation of $4 trillion in July? Right option is B, Nvidia. Who has become the first Indian woman cricketer to score centuries in all 3 international formats? Correct option is D, Smriti Mandhana. Who has recently been appointed as the next Secretary of Research and Analysis Wing? Correct option is B, Parag Jain. PM Narendra Modi attended the G7 Summit 2025 held in which country? Correct option is A, Canada. Who has become the first woman fighter pilot of the Indian Navy? Right option is D, Astha Punia. National Flag Day celebrated every year on which date in India? Right option is B, on 22nd July. Who has been awarded the Abel Prize 2025 in the field of mathematics? Correct option is D, Masaki Kashiwara. Which bank has recently partnered with Indian Railways to install India's first ATM on a train? Right option is B, Bank of Maharashtra. Recently, the 14th edition of naval exercise Indra 2025 started between India and which country? Right option is C, Russia. Which has become the first state to make robotics education compulsory for all class 10 students in May? Correct option is A, Kerala. What is India's global rank in vehicle manufacturing as per Ministry of Road Transport and Highways? Correct option is C, third. Who has become the new chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization in the year 2025? Correct option is D, V. Narayanan. What was the official theme of the 11th International Day of Yoga celebrated on 21st June? Correct option is B, Yoga for One Earth, One Health. Who has been crowned the Miss World 2025 at the 72nd Miss World pageant? Right option is C, Opal Suchta Chuangsri. What is the rank of India in Global Peace Index 2025? Right option is B, 115th. Which city is set to establish India's first quantum computing valley by January 2026? Correct option is D, Amravati. Shibu Soren, who passed away recently, was the former Chief Minister of which state? Correct option is B, Jharkhand. Which country has been declared malaria-free by the WHO in January? Correct option is A, Georgia. Which state or union territory has topped the medal tally of Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct option is C, Maharashtra. What is the name of the mission launched by ISRO to study the Sun? Correct option is B, Aditya L1. When is World Wildlife Day 2025 celebrated? Right option is C, on 3rd March. Which country recently introduced a visa-free entry policy for Indian citizens in May? Right option is D, Philippines.